Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am here next to these all wonderful paintings which were created by my 4-year-old daughter, and today we will be talking about an update for WP Setup Wizard. So this is a plugin I released recently, and today I created a new update for it. And if you go to content, simple site banner, this is a new menu entry that you will find in the latest update, in the 1.0.2 update of the plugin. And this will allow you to add a simple banner to the top of your page. And you can advertise things, you can let your visitors know about events that you are holding or anything else. So let me show you what this is meaning exactly. So if we go to my test page, you will see that the feature is currently deactivated. However, if I click here and I add something, for example, today is my daughter's birthday, which is not actually, it will be in April. However, this is the text that I am entering, and also let's add a link. This is a link. Send her, and inside the link I should write happy birthday. Okay. So this is a link going to WordPress.com. This is a structure of HTML link. You can add this, and the text inside these tags will be linked to WordPress.com. So let us leave the rest of things by default and only hit apply. And the banner should be visible when I refresh the page, and here it is. Today is my daughter's birthday, send her happy birthday. And when I click here, I will go to WordPress.com. Okay, now let's go back and let's see what we will have more settings here. So we can hide the banner. If we click on this, we will be able to hide the banner, so we can refresh it and the banner will be gone. This is just to disable the banner temporarily. If you want to disable the banner at all, to totally remove the banner, you should delete the text that you entered here. Okay, font size, you can set the font size of the banner. For example, let's write here 22 pixels and hit save. And once we refresh, we will see that the font is larger now. Okay. Now if we go back here to simple site banner, simple banner background color, we can enter a hex value meaning that it starts with hashtag and it is a hexadecimal representation of a color. If you want to look this up on Google, you are welcome. If you already know how to write this, then you can add here a hex color. So for background color, let's make it red. Red is this in hexa, and click save. And the background turned red now. Now text color we can change also to black. For example, this is hex for black. There are many tools to check on this. And link color can be changed also here. Okay, now we will have simple banner custom CSS. This will be applied to the banner class. This will be applied to the banner scrolling class, and this will be applied to the banner text class. So these are advanced settings. These will be used by you only if you know CSS. If not, you should leave these free empty. Okay, so here you can select the position of the banner: static, absolute, fixed, relative, sticky, initial, and inherit. So you can select the one that fits best your theme, because each and every theme that you will be using will have different outcomes of this, so you should test this out and see which is matching the way your team uses the classes and the structures of your front end. And for example, if you want it fixed to the top of the page each and every time, you can select here fixed and it will be fixed. But in the case of my current theme here, it also covers the top part of the theme, so I should stick with sticky or leave it with static. So with the sticky part, it is displayed correctly, and if I try here going to a post, it will disappear here because it is not glued there, it is only visible on the top of the page. However, if I select here absolute, then let's see how my team reacts to this. Absolute is also covering, so let's select the static, the initial value, the static, and let's refresh how these things work. So yeah, you can experiment with this how you wish. However, let me show you how to tackle if you want to use the fixed value. You can set here a margin top to 40 pixels, for example, and this will make the banner be lowered a bit. So as you can see, it is now glued to the top, but it is displayed lower now. And also, if we use relative or even sticky settings here, we will see that it is lower, but it also disappears. So you can play with these settings and also add custom CSS to it if you know a bit of CSS or even more. So yeah, this is the newest update for the WP Setup Wizard. You will be able to add a custom banner to your pages using this plugin. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I release a new video each day at 7 p.m. GMT time. So please subscribe to get notified each time I release a new video and also see more of my daughter's paintings. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.